Welcome back, everybody. Mr. Swirsky here again. In this video, we're going to show you now how to make holes, or what we also note as remove extrusions. Okay, so at this point, we've been doing extrusions or 3D printing. Or 3D shapes. We've been making them kind of grow and add to them. Now we're going to take stuff away. We're going to remove material. We're going to remove extrude. So we're going to use our existing shape that we just made and you just took a screenshot of. And I better, to be honest with you, I better do it like you would, because remember in our requirements, we needed to have 4 shapes. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to add one more. And then I'll extrude this one just so we've got the same amount. Why not make it 25 also? Oops. There we go. So now we've got our 4 shapes. So it should, your example, or the one that you practiced, that you took a screenshot of, should look something like this. Could be a rectangle, circle, stuff on circles, stuff on squares, rectangles, custom shapes, all that good stuff. Now you say, well, what if I want to put a hole in it? Well, that's when we do remove extrudes. And the way we do that is I'm going to click, and I'm actually going to just do another sketch. So I'm going to go sketch plane. Let's just add a rectangle to make it easier on ourselves. That way. Now, I have this rectangle right here. I'm going to extrude. Now, right now it's going out. Here's how I can change that. If you go into your little tab here, you're going to see it says add. If I just go over, watch what it does. It says remove. Well, now I just went through it. See how the arrow is going through? So it's showing me how to go down. So I'm going down through my shape in here. And you'll notice if I go up, it's going to turn red, because everything above that I can't remove. It's saying like, well, whoa, you can't remove anything above there. So it's telling you that you're doing something wrong. I can't remove anything above that shape because there's nothing there to remove. So I'm going to push down here. And as long as I'm all the way through it, I'm going to make a hole. So if I give myself a thumbs up, watch what happens. And you see I just made a hole all the way through my shape, which is cool. The other way I can do an extrusion is that I can make it a little bit. I don't have to go all the way through. I'll go a little bit through. I'll just kind of make an indent. So that way, like that, which all have their place and purpose when you do that. Okay. And I can do it again. If I want to say, oh, I want to make a hole through this, I'm going to do a sketch. Let's make a hole. Whoop. Let's extrude that. But I don't want to add it. I want to remove it. So I can go through. I'm like, yes, all the way through. Now look what happened. Made a hole. Isn't that cool? So those are my remove extrudes. And I can go all the way through like I did with this one, or I can remove extrude and just take a little bit of material out. So I'm not going all the way through the thing. Okay? But that's the cool thing about remove extrudes. I just did 2 remove extrudes. In your practice here again, you are going to do the same thing. So you're going to take your shape that your multiple extrusion shape that you just made, and you're going to add 2 remove extrudes, and you're going to practice that. So have some fun with it. See what you can make. Excited to see it. See you on the next video.